What is rent expense? Rent expense is the money you pay to use someone's property. Instead of buying it, you're paying for temporary use. So for further explanation, the rent expense is the cost a business or individual pays to use property they don't own. This includes offices, land, equipment, boarding house, or apartment. It's recurring payment made in the exchange for the temporary use of an asset. Rent expense belongs to expenses. Why? Because it's a cost a business pays for using someone's property. It's like borrowing space to run the business. Since the business doesn't own the property and the payment is used up over time, it's considered an expense that lowers the company profit. So I have here example just to understand further. If it's a boarding house, the rent expense is still an expense for the person or business renting the property. Why? For the renter, the rent paid to the owner of the boarding house is an expense. It's the cost of having a place to live, and for the owner, the rent received is revenue. However, the owner also has expenses related to the boarding house. Their costs are considered expenses for the owner because they are necessary to maintain the boarding house. So whether you're renting a room or running the boarding house rent, it's either an expense or part of the expenses involved in running a business. Rent expense is a debit because rent expense increases the expenses account. In accounting, increases in expenses are recorded as debits. Rent expense represents the cost of using a property, and as this cost goes up, the expense account is debited to reflect that increase. So I have here example, and I experienced it now. I'm renting a room in a boarding house in 1,600 pesos per month. So the 1,600 pesos will be the expenses. So that's all, and that's the end of my discussion.